Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English Talk, the podcast that helps you practice simple English for daily life. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. We're so happy you're here with us today.
In this episode, we're going to talk about saving money.
Yes, saving money is very important in our daily lives.
When we save money, we can buy the things we really need.
And saving money also helps us feel less stress about the future.
That's right. It can even help us reach our goals, like buying a phone, traveling, or paying for school.
So today, we'll share some simple tips for saving money in everyday life.
And don't forget, at the end, we'll review today's vocabulary.
Plus, you can download the free PDF transcript with exercises to practice more.
Let's talk about our money habits. Everyone has different habits with money. Some people are very careful, and some people spend quickly. For me, I usually like to save money. Saving money makes me feel safe and relaxed because I know I will have money when I need it. But sometimes I spend too much.
Really? What do you usually spend too much on?
Usually on snacks or clothes. For example, last week I bought 2 new shirts. The colors were very nice, blue and green. But honestly, I didn't really need them. I already have many shirts at home. I bought them because they were on sale. The price was lower than normal, so I thought, why not? But later I realized it was not necessary.
I know that feeling, Anna. Sales can be very tricky. We see 50% off or buy one get one free, and suddenly we buy things we don't really need.
Exactly. That's my problem sometimes. I think I'm saving money because it's cheap, but really, I'm spending more. What about you, Ben? Do you like to save, or do you spend more?
For me, I try to control my spending. I don't always succeed, but I try. One way I do this is by writing down my spending every week.
Oh, interesting. How do you do that?
It's simple. I have a small notebook. Every day I write the money I use. For example, I write bus ticket $2, lunch $5, coffee $3. At the end of the week, I add it all together. Then I know exactly how much I spent.
That's a very good habit. I don't usually write things down, but I think it would help me.
Yes, it helps me follow my budget, my plan for how I use money. A budget tells me, okay, this week you can spend $50 on food, $20 on transport, and $10 on fun. If I spend more than the budget, I know I need to stop.
That sounds very organized. Do you always follow your budget?
Not always. Sometimes I forget. Sometimes I want something extra. But at least when I write it down, I can see the truth. I can see, I spent too much on coffee this week. The next week I try to spend less.
That makes sense. I think writing things down is powerful. When we don't write, we forget. But when we write, we can see our habits clearly.
Yes, exactly. One time I saw that I spent $50 on fast food in just 1 week. That shocked me. I didn't realize it was so much. After that, I decided to cook more at home.
Wow, $50 just on fast food? That's a lot. Cooking at home is a great way to save money.
Yes, and usually it's healthier too.
So listeners, let's pause for a moment and look at today's useful words.
Great idea.
First, save money. This means to keep money for later. For example, I want to save money to buy a bicycle.
Second, spend money. This means to use money to buy something. I spend money on food and transport.
Third, budget. A budget is a plan for using money. For example, I make a budget every month.
Fourth, habit. A habit is something you do often, maybe every day. Drinking coffee in the morning is my habit.
And last, write down. This means to put something on paper or in a notebook. I write down my spending in my journal.
Great. These words are very useful if you want to talk about money.
Now, Ben, I have a question. Do you think saving money is easy or difficult?
I think saving money is easy when I have a clear goal. For example, last year I wanted to buy a new phone. I saved $10 every week. It felt slow, but after 6 months I had enough. That was easy because I had a goal.
That's a good point. Having a goal makes saving more fun.
Yes, but sometimes saving money is difficult. If my friends invite me to eat out or go to the movies, I want to join them. I don't want to say no. That's when saving is hard.
I agree. For me, saving money is easy if I prepare. For example, if I bring lunch from home, I don't need to buy lunch outside. That saves money. But if I don't prepare, I feel hungry and then I buy food.
Yes, preparation is important.
Another problem for me is online shopping. It's so easy to click and buy. Sometimes I buy things late at night when I'm tired. Later I think, why did I buy this?
Oh yes, online shopping can be dangerous. I have the same problem. One idea is to wait. If I see something I want to buy online, I wait 2 days. After 2 days, if I still want it, maybe I buy it. But many times after waiting, I don't want it anymore.
That's a very smart habit. I will try that. So listeners, think about your own habits. Do you save? Do you spend? Do you write things down?
Yes, and remember the important words: save money, spend money, budget, habit, write down.
Now it's your turn, listeners. What do you usually spend your money on? Snacks, clothes, games, something else?
Please share with us. We'd love to know.
Okay, Ben, now let's share some tips for saving money. We already talked about our habits, but what can people do in daily life to save?
Good idea. Let's think about simple everyday things. My first tip is bring lunch from home.
Oh yes, that's a very good one. Buying lunch outside every day is expensive.
Exactly. For example, if I buy lunch at a cafe, it costs maybe $6 or $7. If I do that 5 days a week, it's more than $30.
Wow, that's a lot of money for just lunch.
Yes, but if I cook pasta or rice at home and bring it, maybe it only costs $2 or $3. Over 1 month, I can save more than $100.
That's amazing. And the food from home can be healthier too.
Yes, true. What about you, Anna? Do you have a saving tip?
Yes, my tip is very simple. Turn off the lights when you don't need them.
Oh, that's a good one. Many people forget.
Yes, I used to forget too. I left the lights on when I went out, but my electricity bill became higher and higher. After that, I made a habit. Now before I leave the house, I always check. Are the lights off?
That's smart. Saving electricity is saving money.
Yes. And also, turn off the fan or the air conditioner if you don't need it.
Right? Another tip is use public transportation if possible.
Yes, buses, trains, or the metro.
Exactly. Taking a taxi or driving a car is comfortable, but it costs more. A bus ticket is usually cheap. If you use public transportation every day, you can save a lot of money.
True. And sometimes it's also better for the environment.
Yes, so we save money and help the planet at the same time.
Let me share another idea. Make a shopping list before you go to the store.
Ah, that's very useful.
Yes. Before I started making lists, I often bought things I didn't need. For example, I went to buy bread, but I came home with bread, cookies, chips, and juice.
I do that too sometimes.
But when I write a list, I can follow it. Bread only, maybe also milk. And that's all. This way I spend less.
That's a great tip. I think many people can try it.
What about you, Ben? Do you have another saving tip?
Yes, my tip is wait before buying.
What do you mean?
I mean, when you see something you want to buy, don't buy it immediately. Wait 1 or 2 days. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Many times after waiting, I don't want it anymore.
Oh, yes, that's a very good strategy. I do that sometimes with online shopping. If I wait, my feeling changes and I save money.
Exactly. Buying quickly is dangerous. Waiting is smart.
Let's give our listeners a few more tips.
Sure, another idea is save your coins.
Oh yes, like putting coins in a jar.
Exactly. Every day, put your small coins into a jar or a box. It looks small, but after 1 month, you will have a lot.
That's true. When I was younger, I saved coins in a jar. After 6 months, I had enough to buy a nice bag.
See? Small coins can become big savings.
Another tip is, don't buy water every day.
Oh yes. Many people buy bottled water. It looks cheap, maybe $1, but if you buy it every day, that's $30 in 1 month.
Right. Instead, use a water bottle from home. It's cheaper and better for the environment too.
Yes, they are small, but if we do them, we can save a lot.
And listeners, remember, saving money is not only about big things. Small changes in daily life can make a big difference.
Exactly.
Now let's teach some new vocabulary from this part.
Great. First word, bill. A bill is the paper that shows how much you must pay. For example, my electricity bill is high this month.
Next, expensive. Expensive means it costs a lot of money. This restaurant is expensive.
Another word, cheap. Cheap means it does not cost much. These shoes are cheap.
And one more, list. A list is words written one under another. I write a shopping list before I go to the market.
Perfect.
So listeners, here's a question for you. Which tip do you want to try this week? Will you bring lunch from home? Will you turn off the lights? Or maybe you will start saving coins in a jar.
Please share with us.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content. Click the subscribe button and stay updated with our latest episodes.
Now, let's reflect a little. Ben, what did you learn about yourself today?
I learned that I need to be careful with coffee. Coffee is my bad habit. It looks small, but it becomes expensive every month.
Yes, I remember you said that.
I think my challenge this week is to make coffee at home instead of buying it outside.
That's a very good idea.
What about you, Anna?
I learned that I spend too much money on clothes. I often buy shirts or dresses just because they are cheap. But I don't really need them.
Yes, sales can be dangerous.
My challenge is to wait before buying clothes. If I see something I like, I will wait 2 days before I buy it.
That's smart.
And what about you, listeners? What did you learn about yourself today? Do you have a good habit or a bad habit with money?
And what is your challenge? Maybe your challenge is to bring lunch from home. Or maybe your challenge is to write down your spending this week.
Yes, writing down your spending is a very powerful challenge. Even 1 day can show you a lot.
For example, if you write water $1, snacks $3, bus $2, at the end of the day, you will see where your money goes.
And after 1 week, you can count everything and know your habit.
That's right.
Let's make it simple. Listeners, here's your challenge for this week. Choose one tip from today's episode. Try it for 1 week. Notice how much money you save.
Yes, and if you can, write it down.
For example, if you usually buy lunch outside, try bringing lunch from home for 1 week. At the end of the week, count how much money you saved.
Or, if you usually buy water every day, try bringing a bottle from home. Count the money at the end of the week.
These are small changes, but they can teach you a lot.
Exactly.
Also remember, saving money is not only about having more money. It's about feeling less stress and reaching your goals.
Yes, when you save, you feel more free. You can use your money for important things, not just small things.
I agree.
So listeners, let's ask you again. What do you usually spend your money on? And which tip will you try this week?
Please share with us. We'd love to hear your ideas. So, Ben, we talked about money habits and we shared many tips for saving money. Let's think about everything we learned today.
Yes, we talked about good habits and bad habits. We also shared 7 simple tips. Maybe we can review them slowly for our listeners.
Good idea. Okay, tip number 1, bring lunch from home.
Yes, because buying lunch outside every day is expensive. Cooking at home and bringing food can save a lot of money.
Tip number 2, turn off the lights and save electricity.
And don't forget to turn off the fan or the air conditioner too. Saving electricity means saving money.
Tip number 3, use public transportation.
Yes, Buses and trains are cheaper than cars or taxis. If you take public transport, you can save money every day.
Tip number 4. Make a shopping list before you go to the store.
A list helps you buy only what you need and not extra things.
Tip number 5. Wait before buying.
Yes, don't buy immediately. Wait 1 or 2 days and ask yourself, do I really need this?
Tip number 6. Save your coins in a jar.
Small coins can become big savings over time.
And tip number 7. Don't buy water every day.
Bring a water bottle from home. It's cheaper and better for the environment.
7 tips in total. That's a lot of useful ideas.
Yes, and they are easy to do in daily life.
So today we talked about our money habits and 7 simple tips for saving money.
Remember, even small changes like bringing lunch from home or turning off the lights can make a big difference over time.
Saving money is for everyone. You don't need to be rich. You just need to start small and keep going.
That's right. Saving is like building a habit. If you do it step by step, it becomes easier.
This week, try 1 tip from today's episode. Write it down, practice it, and see how much you can save.
And don't forget, you can download the free PDF transcript with today's conversation, vocabulary, and exercises.
Thank you for listening to Everyday English Talk.
We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.